Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my Jvzoo account and here you can see today I made 2 sales and I earned $31, and that is because I'm making this video in the morning, so I didn't get that much traffic and I didn't make that much sales. Here you can see yesterday I made 7 sales and I earned $133. What confuses some people is when they see zeros here. This is seller's account. I am not seller, I am affiliate. I don't have any of my own products. I'm promoting other people's products. That is why here you can see only zeros and here you can see my earnings. Now, I got questions from some of you telling me you are always showing ClickBank and Digistore24 methods. Can you please show Jvzoo affiliate marketing tutorial? And today I'm going to show you exactly that. I'm going to show you how to promote Jvzoo affiliate products. And because we are talking about Jvzoo, this is available worldwide. And I'm going to show you a free traffic source, and not just that, but I'm actually going to show you my Google Analytics to prove you that this really works. So if you are a beginner, you need to watch this video. So with that being said, first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. So let's say I'm in make money online niche. Well, actually I am in make money online niche. So second thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. So what you need to do, you need to scroll here, you need to click here on affiliates, and then click here on find products. And Jvzoo will show you all the available products that you can promote. And I am talking because their website is slow and it takes time to load, okay? And their website finally loaded. So now I need to choose a category. So let me just find the category, internet marketing and e-commerce, because we are talking about making money online. And again, I'm talking to fill the space because their website is slow, so it takes time to load. I hope they will fix that. And again, their website finally loaded. And now you can even choose by subcategory. I will not do that because I don't want to waste too much of your time. And here are the products that you can promote. And these are the important parameters that you need to consider. Here you can see conversion rate, earn per click, average price, commission, and refund. Refund is really important because if some products have a high refund rate, that means you will make less money. So now what you need to do, you need to go through these products, you need to go through their sales pages, through their affiliate tools pages if they have them, you need to check their keywords, you need to check their backlinks, you need to read some reviews, you need to check these things here that I showed you, that I said that are really important, and then based on those data you will decide which of these products you actually wish to promote. Yes, you can promote just one product if you want, or if you want you can promote multiple products at the same time. But before we continue, I have a small request for you. Please like this video and also please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below and I will try to answer on all of your questions. Now, if you wish to promote multiple products at the same time, then you need to use a link tree. You can register for a free account. But because on Jvzoo you need to ask for approval to promote each of these products, I am going to use products that I'm already promoting for this example. So I need to add my first product, so I will just copy the title, Control C, and then click here on title and paste it here. And now I need to add my Jvzoo affiliate link. Again, just copy this affiliate link, Control C, and then click here on URL and paste it here. And if I wish to add another link, I will just click here, add a new link, and again, just go back here, copy the title of that product, and I will just click here on title, paste it here, and again I need to copy my Jvzoo affiliate link, click here on URL, paste it here, and that's it. And here on the right side you can see how your link tree will look. And this is your link tree link that you need to promote, that you need to send traffic to in order to send people to one of your offers and to make sales. So now when you have your products and when you have your link tree, now you need to start driving traffic. But let me first show you potential of the traffic source, free traffic source that we are going to use. So let me just go on Google Analytics account for one of my websites, and when I click here on secondary dimensions and then acquisitions, and then when I scroll here and click on source medium, you will see traffic sources for my website. And here you can see I got 33,000 visits last month from Pinterest. I got 1,300 visits from Instagram, but I got 781,000 visits from T.co. What is T.co? That is actually Twitter. I am getting 700,000 visits every month from Twitter, but to be honest with you, I have a Twitter page with 300,000 followers, and I'm posting 4 links every day on that page, and that is why I am getting 781,000 visits every month to my website. That is how powerful Twitter is, and you must start using Twitter. And another reason is it is much easier to grow Twitter page than to grow Instagram or Facebook fan page. That is why you need to start using Twitter. And this is one of my Twitter pages, and here you can see I have 733 followers. You need to add a nice profile image, you need to add a timeline image. Unfortunately, I didn't do that. That is a big mistake. You need to add a bio, and here in the bio you can add a link to your link tree, and not just that, but you can also share that link in your posts, in your Twitter posts, to send traffic every day to that link tree. And main problem that many people have is, how do I grow Twitter page? Well, there are actually 2 ways to do that. First way is to find influencers in your niche and to make a list. I already did that, so just click here on lists to find the list that you made. And let me just click here on this list, and here I can see people that I added on my list. Click here on members. I have only 4 members on this page, on Twitter page. Unfortunately, it takes some time to load. For some reason my internet is slow. And let's say, for example, this guy here, when I click here to visit his profile, here you will see he have 209,000 followers here on Twitter. So what you need to do, you need to scroll here on his most recent post. Here you can see this post he made only 4 hours ago. Just click here on that post, and what you need to do, you need to start following people who engage on his most recent post. You can follow people who retweeted his post. You can also follow people who liked his post. And you can also follow people who commented on his post. Now, the reason why you wish to follow only people who engage on his last post is because those are the active people. You need to follow only active people, people who are active on Twitter. And in that way, some of those people will start following you back. Now, another way to grow your Twitter page, and even better way, is to actually start engaging with other people's content in your niche. Now, that is by far better way to do this. You need to start retweeting other people's posts. You need to start liking their posts. You need to start commenting on their posts. And some of those people will return you favor, and they will start retweeting your posts. They will start liking your posts. They will start commenting on your posts. And in that way, their followers will see your posts. You will get more exposure, you will reach more people, and you will start getting more followers by simply engaging with other people's content. And the more you engage with other people's content, the more people you will reach, and the more followers you will get. And as you can see, this guy here, he has 209,000 followers, and he's promoting his courses, and he actually made more than $1 million selling his courses here on Twitter. That is how powerful Twitter is. And that is exactly what you need to do. You need to go on Twitter, you need to create your Twitter profile, your Twitter page, just like I did. You need to add a nice bio, just like I did. And you can add a link to your link tree here in the bio, add a profile image, timeline image, and start making posts on Twitter. Start following other people, start engaging with other people's posts. And if you have a Twitter page with, let's say, 10 or 15,000 followers, you can easily send 5, 10, 20,000, maybe even 30,000 visits every month, totally free. And that is actually targeted visits because you only follow people who are in your niche, and only people who engage with your content will visit your website. And that means these are the people who trust you, people who know who you are, and people who will potentially buy those products. I am actually getting 700,000 visits every month, as you saw on my Google Analytics, and I'm promoting ClickBank products, but also Digistore 24 and some Jvzoo products on that website. and I'm making money by promoting those products. So if you are not using Twitter in your affiliate marketing, you need to start doing it immediately. So this is my Jvzoo affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.